Oh boy. I hate these things. Ah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ah. Ah. Okay, so let's watch that footage. Anyway, these
Good.
fine people are trying to help me find the drone, but don't worry, I think I'll be able to, but I'm going to show you the footage, okay?
That's very cool.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I gotta get the activate the phone. Okay, there we go. So,
Spin again, please. Don't go any further.
okay. So, I just charged this one yesterday. Actually,
Wait, is it still going?
wait. No, what do you call album? There it is. Okay, watch. I don't know if you can see, right?
Oh, this is definitely evening.
Yeah.
Do you want that on there?
I don't know why I keep these things crazy, I guess. Okay. So, you can see that?
Yes. That looks like right here. Yep.
Now it just shows the parking lot just for a speck. I don't know if you can see it, but it's taking. See?
Yep.
The parking lot. So, did you get to see how far the drone was from the parking lot?
No, because the drone can zoom.
No, this one can't. Yeah, this one can't. So it's right around here.
Yeah. I mean, it all looks like. If I had to guess, I'd say it's on the top of this hill right here. I'd say it's up there.
No, because when the camera is focused here, you can see people walking on this trail. You want to see it again? Just the ending part. Look at it. See? See? So, you're gonna see for a split second the parking lot. There. See?
Yep.
And then the trail, people walking, see?
Yep.
Okay, so it's around here somewhere, down there.
How'd it crash?
Ran out of battery probably.
Run out of battery.
Oh, I'm
So-
sorry we're not more help.
Yeah.
We don't hike it enough. I would have guessed it was up there.
Huh, you want to see?
Hey, look. Bye.
Yeah. See? I hardly see anything, but. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Could be over there. I mean, down here. But I think I need to use my binoculars to find it. Okay. I'm gonna use my binoculars now. Okay, that's trail 1, and so my drone is not far from here. Still haven't located it yet. So, but it's not far from here down there where the rocks are. So I'm going to look at the footage again and figure out where it could be. Okay. Okay, so I watched the footage and I saw some landmarks, one of which is the crack in the side of the hill, and another landmark, which is a branch of a tree, something like that, but it's closer to the trail. So, a branch of a tree. Well, there's the landmark and the crack in the wall of the trail, which is this, and there's the branch of the tree now. There's a crack in here. See, all this was part of the footage. And it's close by, around here somewhere. Oh, I gotta find that branch of the tree. The broken branch. So, and it's almost to the trail. And a lot of rocks around where it crash landed. So I don't know. So I don't know. Oh man, just gotta look for that landmark. the branch of a tree. And not too far from that. Alright. So